You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Name pronunciation, the name of this American painter. For more artist names, pronunciations, make sure to stay tuned. His first name is Yoruba of origin, but he's an American painter based in New York City. In Yoruba, it's pronounced as Kehinde, Kehinde. So in English, it's usually said as Kehinde, Kehinde, Kehinde Wiley. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.